How to invest in Forex. For some traders and investors, investing in a foreign currency offers an exciting opportunity to speculate on the exchange rates between currencies around the world. While it is risky, many can walk away with a profitable foreign exchange, also called Forex or FX. If you are new to investing in foreign currencies, here's what you need to know to get started. What is Forex investing? When you travel around the world, you can't always use US dollars for purchases. Instead, you have to convert your money into euros, yen, pesos, or whatever currency is used by the country you are visiting. When buying or selling money to travel, you probably noticed the exchange rate. This tells you how much of the other currency you get per dollar, and vice versa. These rates change regularly. The price changes are based on economic news, projected economic data, and other factors. In Forex trading, you buy a large amount of foreign currency just like you would buy a stock, bond, or mutual fund. Instead of trying to earn a profit through the value of that investment going up, you hope the US dollar value of that currency will move in the direction you're hoping for, up or down. When it does, you earn a profit when converting the currency back into dollars. What to know before you invest in Forex. Before investing in Forex, it's important to understand the risks involved and how you plan to profit. Going in without a well-defined strategy can lead to poor execution and big losses. Here are some important things to keep in mind before you make your first Forex investment. Investment risk. Start by getting an understanding of your overall investment risk. The risk profile of USD CAD is very different from USD BRL. Just as every company is different in the stock market, every currency pair is different in the Forex market. Trading fees. Some brokerages hide fees inside of spreads, or the difference between buying and selling prices for a currency pair. Others charge clear transaction fees based on volume, trade size, or pair. Know what you're going to pay for every trade. Leverage used. If you're exposing yourself to more than $1 of risk for every $1 invested, you're using leverage. This can accelerate both gains and losses, so know how much leverage you're using. Margin requirements. Similar to leverage, margin can lead to outsized profits and losses. If you're trading with margin, understand the costs, and know the margin requirements for your account. Types of foreign currency investments. While you can buy and sell foreign currency directly, many traders use different tools to invest in currencies. Here are a few popular methods to get into Forex trading with a brokerage account. Options. Currency options give you the ability to buy or sell currency at a set price at a specific date and time. If the specifics work out in your favor, you can exercise the option for a profit. Learn more about options trading here. Futures work like options in many ways. But instead of having the option to exercise at a set time, you are obligated to exercise the contract when it's up. Learn more about futures here. Funds. Mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, often hold stocks and bonds, but they are not limited to those assets. A fund can also hold foreign currencies. Learn more about investment funds here. Some investors may use one of these investments as a hedge. Currency hedging is a combination of trades designed to offset other risks. It may also be useful for expats who want to keep accounts in multiple currencies. Advantages of investing in Forex. Foreign currency investing can be exciting, but it isn't for everyone. Before getting started with Forex, it's a good idea to look at the risks and advantages of this type of investment. Advantages of investing in Forex. Diversify your portfolio. Many investors focus heavily on stocks and bonds. Forex is a popular alternative to diversify your portfolio. Profit on international economic news. News and statistics enthusiasts can develop trading strategies around news releases, elections, and other current events. What you need to invest in foreign currency. To buy or sell foreign currency, you need a brokerage account that supports this type of asset. If your broker doesn't allow you to invest directly in foreign currency-related options or futures, most support a wide range of ETFs and mutual funds that give you FX exposure. You need to fund your account to get into the Forex. Make sure it is money you can afford to lose if things don't go as planned. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.